Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be this default one, and now let's tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down and find the settings, and here let's go to the advanced section. Now let's tap on the clear browsing data, which should be at the very bottom, and here we've been transferred to the things which we would like to remove. So we've got the input history, browsing history, and cached pages, and those options are defaultly applied, marked. And you can also remove the cookies, passwords, site settings, and homepage news cache. So just if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything and tap on this brush icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the clear, and as you can see, the data has been cleared successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Huawei Matepad 10.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.